Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews July 2022. We will start with SEO, search engine optimization for Amazon, and as always for your backend keywords, the same rules since over 4 years, less than 250 bytes. That means you can use up to 249 bytes. Of course, punctuation is not counted, for example, spaces or commas. Then let's go to content. In the content section, we have seen that a second time this year, and it seems for a hard rollout, the product detail page is now shown like on the left, on the desktop. You're seeing the pictures in a absolutely bigger structure, and what you always also seeing is that now 7 pictures are directly shown and the video. Before it were only 6 pictures and the video. So a few new slots for pictures. That is really cool. Then Amazon has released the virtual try-on shoes, at the moment only for iOS, Android coming soon. A real good feature for fashion. Maybe it will be rolled out also for socks or other fashion. Then, if you're changing the normal link for the enhanced brand content from EBC Standard to EBC Premium, you will find the new premium banners. A+ or EBC Premium is in the market over 4 years for vendors, but it seems there is a rollout planned to make that also available for the sellers, and you can now directly find all the different possible banner. Okay, if you liked it so far, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell to stay informed when we are releasing new videos, and of course use the AMALYZE extension. Next, advertising. In advertising, you can find a new report for sponsored display ads, matched target report. Now you can finally see which ASIN was in the look back window, or where you were shown with your category targeting. That is absolutely awesome. Now you get all the insights where your ad has been shown, and you can decide to set them as negative or focus more directly with product targeting ads directly on that match target and so on. Then Amazon has released a new suggested bids for regular days and special events. Just a hint, if there is no upcoming special events, bids for special events will be available 45 days before the event. Okay, the screenshot from 17th of June has shown that Amazon has a problem in the rollout, course Prime Day 12th to 13th July. And the bids for special days are computed by looking at past activity during those days, so last year data, and the present marketplace trends. And that is absolutely interesting. You see an example here for automatic targeting. On the left, the regular bid, 82 cents. On the right, 88 cents. And if you want to go into details, you need to set bids by targeting group. Of course, Amazon is showing only the highest bid, and here you can use the bids for the specific targeting groups. And apply bids close to event dates for best performance. Why is that so important? You can see it here. We have done a few screenshots on weekly base, 24th and 13th of June, and you're seeing the new suggested bids. If you decided for the 88 cents 1 week ago, you will stay at that height. Only if you set up a new campaign or changed the default bids to the suggested bid of a new day, you will receive new data. Amazon is not changing it for you. When we had a deeper look on 2 different time frames, and we have seen changings in 3 minutes. You can see it here. it's changing in 3 minutes directly. So not absolutely quite cool decision to use it, but make sure apply the bits as near as possible to the Prime Day date. That suggested bits for Prime Day are also available for keyword targeting with the same kind. Apply bits close to event dates for best performance. Then Amazon has introduced the ad groups for sponsored display. You can now create ad groups. The first ad group is created when you create a campaign. You can add more ad groups to the campaign after you have saved it, as we know it from the sponsored products. For the sponsored display ads, there's also a new product targeting as in contextual targeting to expand campaigns delivery of Amazon from June 15, 2022. Contextual targeting is an evolution of product targeting with a new name and expanded reach on contextually relevant third-party websites and apps. You can find it here, and so it will be delivered on and off Amazon. With that, there's also released a new feature. It's called Deny List. So you can make sure to upload a list of web domains and mobile app IDs to be excluded from delivery of sponsored display campaigns. Okay, so that is absolutely important to understand. Last but not least, in advertising, Amazon has introduced the Amazon Marketing Stream. It's an hourly performance matrix provided intraday insights for advanced campaign optimization. At the moment available in United States, Canada and Mexico, and the access is only via Amazon Ads API. Then the next topic is Amazon Marketing. Here we need to talk about the Prime Day, 12 to 13 July this year, and one of the most important situations is choose a budget that's around 2 to 4 times higher than your typical daily budget to keep your ads running throughout the day. That is an advice from Amazon. From my point of view, you can get rid of overstock of special colors, and please make sure that you're not rely to the thing that customers will see, search and find you on the offer pages. Make sure they can find you on the regular SERP. Then let's talk about the marketplace. Here, especially in the European Union, you can learn about Amazon Responsible Person Service. Since last year, all manufacturers situated outside the European Union that sell CE market products in the European Union are required to have an entity established in the European Union acting as the point of contact for product compliance, also known as responsible person. And now you can choose Amazon for that. You have not to pay until November 22. From that on, you will have to pay €25 per month. You can find the links directly here. Then Amazon will change some brand analytic dashboards. The item comparison and alternate purchase behavior dashboards with Amazon brand analytics will no longer be available. Of course, nobody has used them, or maybe nobody has knew about them or how to find them, but at the end it will be the same. They are deleted. So we are exploring opportunities to add deeper custom behavior analytics in 2023. So maybe they will give us new insights, but the old ones are no longer available. Then Amazon has offered a new revenue calculator to directly compare the costs and profitabilities across different programs. That is really, really cool. And you can, for example, search through the Amazon catalog for SKUs, title or ASIN, or on the other side, you can define a product with measurements, packaging, dimensions, unit weight, category, item price, delivery charge. then you will see such an overview, and now you can select a program to compare. It's not only about Amazon fulfillment and your own fulfillment. You can, for example, add EFN, the European Fulfillment Network, Pan-European Small and Light, and at the end it will look like that. I've only used dummy data, but here you see the different situations of costs and metrics you can enter. When Amazon has changed the navigation, you will find it directly with three big dots, new. And for example, the inventory reports are now under reports. Before that, they were directly in inventory, and you will find it in reports as you see it on the right. When Amazon plans to expand, it's not an official Amazon statement. It was from leaked documents, but it seems to be that there is the Belgium marketplaces in late September 2022, and in 2023 we will see Colombia, South Africa, Nigeria and Chile, for example. Last but not least, there are 3 new videos about the customer product reviews policy. Please look into that videos, especially product insert compliance. Learn about Amazon's policy on adding inserts into your product or product packaging in combination with asking for reviews, what is allowed, what is not allowed, and make sure you keep that keep that link saved to use it maybe against Amazon when they are working against your inserts. Okay, that was July 2022, the AMA News, and if you liked it, subscribe to our channel.